you fear stage, then you shouldn't perform at all.
No, that's quite wrong because we always start from zero.
Can you help us understand that is it the right thing to memorize the script, or what is it?
So, if you try to memorize and ratify something, it is probably like if you forget something in the line, you won't be able to say what's next. So, better thing is to do is if you know the concept, if you know what you want to deliver, and you are thorough with what you have to deliver, that is the only thing that matters. So, when anything that comes with the flow and that is natural to you, it is bound to be very people likely and deliverable. So it's better to focus on self and concept rather than flowing with something called as script.
Yeah, so I think having proper knowledge about the topic that you're going to speak is the key thing that you have to keep in mind.
Yes.
Let's talk about myths. I've heard people saying that if you are an introvert, then you cannot perform on the stage.
No, that's really a myth because everyone, like a seasoned speaker, also feels very fearful of stage at times. So, extroverts or introverts, it doesn't matter. Your inner voice matters because what you say to yourself is about to happen. So, this is the key that if you talk positively to yourself, anyone can deliver it.
I've also heard people saying that if you fear stage, then you shouldn't perform at all on the stage.
No, that's quite wrong because we always start from zero. So it doesn't matter that you know the stuff or you don't know the stuff. You just have to be thorough with the concept and be able to talk to yourself in the mirror, and everything is going to happen like you want it to happen. So I don't think that it's a problem.
Yeah, and I also believe that there's always a first step, and unless you
Yes.
take that step, you won't know what you
Yes.
actually are.
I agree.
Right,
The
exactly.
first step is always the hardest, but I'm sure if you take the first step, then you can actually be booming in anything you want to be skilled at.
Right. Thank you so much for your valuable insight about this.